An important part of practicing balance in physical yoga is to take your time. It's easy when you see a posture being demonstrated to want to quickly create that shape in your body, but the transition into the posture itself is a practice of balancing two important qualities: steady focus and a non-attachment to the outcome, which then cultivates a sense of ease. And it's important to create that balance internally as you're trying to manifest it externally, physically, by connecting to balance in the breath, a balanced state of mind, and placing your body with a sense of mindfulness.